Do you know what the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 320 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa cum bed, tea table arrangement and also a chair arrangement, and we have a dining counter with 3 chairs and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area. And on the right side we have bedroom number 1. Here you can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.